We are looking at how to pronounce these words, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary as well in English, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. The top word. In English, British English, it's said as theatre. Theatre, stress on the first syllable, while the Americans say it as theater, or theatre. That's your top word right there. Now the adjective at the bottom is said as theatrical, with a stress on the second A syllable. And this one, both British and American English pronunciations are similar. Theatrical. So top word again, theatre or theatre. Bottom word, theatrical. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support, and thanks for watching.